Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share, and let me show you what I picked up. The fall harvest items are 75% off, and I picked up these leaf stickers. The regular price was $2.99 and I paid 75 cents. So you get 12 leaves in a bag, and they're layered. And they're really cute. Look at this. You get the wood piece, a felt, and a button. That's 3-in-1 deal. Look at this. How adorable, right? I love the leaves. So cute. I will use some as it is, and then some of them I'm going to take apart. That is my plan. And of course there's this sticker on the back too. So I picked up 4 of these. I have plenty to experiment with. And then the other fall craft item I picked up are these ribbons. Look at this. You get 4-in-1 deal. How cute. So regular price was $4.99 and I paid $1.25 each. So you get the brown, like a rust color, or burgundy, and the yellow. It could be an amber color. But look at that. They're like 1/8 of an inch ribbon. The perfect size for any craft project. And it says 40 yards, so I'm guessing you get 10 yards per color. It's a fantastic deal. I'm quite happy with that. I picked up some Christmas craft items also. Look at this. It's fantastic size. 75 feet of 18 gauge red wire. Look at that. I love it. It's nice and soft and very flexible. So regular price was $2.99 and I paid $1.20. The Christmas items are at 60% off right now at the Hobby Lobby stores. So I picked up 2 of those. It's going to come in handy very soon. And then I also picked up this wood bark ornaments, and you get 6 pieces in here, and they are 2 inches across, and regular price was $2.99 and I paid $1.20. Each ornament is 2 inches across, and it is quite a nice thickness to the ornaments too. And it comes with the twine, and it has the hole, of course. But you can always plug that in if you don't want the hole. And you can always change out the hanger also. I like it that each piece is different, and not everything is the same. I think I got a very good variety. I did pick up 2 bags. I also picked up some buttons. These are called flat backs, and there's 8 pieces in each bag, and the regular price was $2.99. Again, it was $1.20. I got the poinsettias, and I picked up the snowflakes. So the snowflakes, you get 30 pieces in there. Oops. There are very tiny snowflakes. Look at this. And I plan to use these in some projects, and I'm going to go ahead and trim the button part. See right here, the hole. I don't need that. So I think I did really good by picking up 2 bags. So I have 60 snowflakes to work with. And if you take a look, a very close look, you get different snowflakes in there. So let's see. So far I see 3 different types of snowflakes. It's a cute collection. And then on the poinsettias, I love these colors. I love the red color. And of course you get the holly leaf with the berries, and there's the poinsettias. And then these are just like I said, they're flat backs. Get that. Nice, right? I like them. And let's see, let me move these aside. I also picked up some stickers. I picked up the holly leaf with the berries. This one was $3.49 and I paid $1.40 each. Let's see. Here we go. This is what they look like. It's glittered paper with the bling blings. I needed some of this, so I'm quite happy I was able to pick up 2 of these. And let's see. It says glitter holly with gemstones. You get 28 of these per bag. And then I picked up the poinsettias. This one was $4.49 and I paid $1.80. And then these, it just says poinsettias 3D 12 pieces. And look at this. How cute. It is like, see that? I don't know what do you call it. Like, they added some shiny stuff around the edges. They made it very pretty. And it is 3 layers of flowers. Look, if you can tell. I think I like that. The layers give it depth and it's just so pretty. I love the red shiny tips. So adorable. I got 2 of those. I picked up some glitter paper. I needed some glitter. I picked up the chunky glitter paper in black and in the silver. See there? These were the only 2 colors I wanted. Well, I wanted a red and a green, but they didn't have it, so I just got the silver and the black. I also picked up the regular glitter paper in the red and in the green. And then, hold on, I don't want to shine this in your eyeballs, but I picked up some of the metallics. I picked up the green, the red, the silver, and the black. Can you see there? I really don't want to overshine it. So these were all $1.99 and they are all 12 by 12 paper. Now I was thinking that these were 50% off, but my receipt says 40% off. So I end up paying $1.19. I will have to check on that to see if that is 40% off. I also picked up some berry picks. These were all $1.99 regular price, and I end up paying 80 cents each. So I picked it up in the silver, or silver glitter I should say, and I picked up the red glitter. And then they also had this one. This is the red berries, but they are covered like in ice. I like this one too. I was quite undecided, so I just picked out all this. And I want to take this apart and use the berries as embellishment, so I will be using those very soon also. The last item I picked up is this. They're cutting dies, and let me see, does it have a name? Candle jar. Okay, it's a candle jar die cutting set, and it comes with stamps. So regular price was $17.99, and I paid $10.79. And I picked it up because, let me open this real quick so I can get the glare off and show you why I picked this up. So this is what you're supposed to make if you use it as a set. Can you see? I want to use the holly picks, and then I want to make some poinsettias. So here's the floral pieces, and then you even get little tiny ones for the berries. How cute. Yeah, that's the main reason why I picked it up. And the pieces are small enough to where I can use those poinsettias and holly berries and holly picks on the small projects. So I want to give these a try. And you get 11 dies, 8 stamps in this set. I'm quite happy I decided to pick this up. And of course you can create your little cloche with these, see? Or you can use that and make a shaker out of this. How would that look? I should try that. Of course, and then you got the candle set. And then here, look at this. It even comes with flames. The little piece right there for flames. And then the stamp for the flames itself. You get 2 different sizes. I like it. I'm quite happy I picked this up. That is the last item I picked up on my haul from Hobby Lobby. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to keep a watch out for when you go visit Hobby Lobby. Again, all the Christmas items are at 60% off, and all the fall harvest items are at 75% off. And it is going very fast. All the fall stuff is flying out the door. That first day I was there, I mean, they had what, like 4 or 5 aisles of harvest. When I went the other day, it was down to 1.5. So, but I am quite looking forward to making some holly leaves and some poinsettias. And of course I will be using my stickers and my new wood rounds. But some of them are separating. See how you can tell the bark is separating from the wood? And I was thinking maybe if I wet it, the bark will shrink back down. I don't know. But I mean, it seems stiff enough to where I think it'll be okay. It's just that, you know, it bugs me that the bark separates from the wood. No, little things like that. Well, this one's soft enough. Looks like I can put some glue on this one and it'll stick back to the wood. They do have some larger ones if you're interested in some larger wood rounds. I thought this would be like the perfect size for a small tree, like a 4-foot tree. We'll see. I'm going to have some fun making some poinsettias and some holly leaves, and I will definitely be using my new leaves. I just love these. They're so cute. I find them absolutely adorable. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.